Okay, so good morning, class. We have a new topic for today. We have objectives. Three objectives. Here is the number one. The learners demonstrate understanding of how energy is transformed. B. The learners should be able to create a marketing strategy for a new product on electrical and light efficiency. C. Demonstrate how sound, heat, light, and electricity can be transformed. Our topic is energy transformation. Class, have you seen an electric bulb? I should say. Yes, Jelly. Very good. Here is an example of an electric bulb. Here is an electric bulb. Do you have an electronic iron at home? Yes, Marina. Very good. How about electric fan? Very good, class. Class, we can use gas stove too. What, Marvin? Yes, very good. Use gas stove to cook our food. Okay, what are the example of sound? Yes, Marina. Very good. An example of a sound is a drum. What are the example of heat? Yes, Danny. Very good. An example of a heat is fire. What are the example of light? Yes, Leo. Very good. The example of an electricity is an electric bulb. Okay. So today we discuss what is energy transformation. It says here, energy transformation, also known as energy conversion. It's the is the process of changing energy from one form to another form. In physics, energy is a quantity that provides the capacity to perform work or provide heat. Did you understand, class? Very good. Another. The conversation of energy principles that or state that energy can neither be destroyed nor created. Okay, so this energy can destroy, but it can made or create. Instead, energy just transforms from one form to another. So, what exactly is energy transformation? Well, as you might guess, energy transformation is defined as the process of changing energy from one form to another. There are so many different kinds of energy that can transform from one form to another form. There is energy from chemical reaction and that we call chemical energy. Energy from thermal processes called heat energy. And energy from charged particles called electrical energy. The process of fission, which is splitting atoms, and fusion, which is combining atoms, give us energy associated with position, potential energy, and the energy associated with position, or I should say, are collective called mechanical energy. For you student, what are the definitions of energy? One type of energy can change into another type of energy. Yes, Diana, very good. Our energy transformation means the changing of energy from one type to another. Example, kinetic energy to electrical energy, or from potential energy to kinetic energy. Thank you, Biana, for your answer. Very good. The heat energy may be converted into kinetic energy in a gas turbine and finally into electrical energy by a generator. The electrical energy may subsequently be converted into light, sound, or kinetic energy in our homes through various household appliances. Sound, a mechanical disturbance from state of equilibrium that propagates through an elastic material medium. A purely subjective definition of sound is also possible as that which is perceived by the ear, such as a definition is not particularly illuminating and it is oddly unduly restrictive for it useful to speak of sound that cannot be heard by the human ear, such as those that are produced by dogs, whistled, and by sonar equipments. Okay, so this sound can produced by us or in animals and things. Okay, so heat, energy that is transferred from one body to another as the result of a difference in temperature. If two bodies at different temperature are brought together, energy is transferred. Okay, so if this body can um, compact with this body, they can form an energy. Okay, energy can be transformed if this body is cold and this body is heat. If they can compact, they can transfer energy. Example, heat flows from the hotter body to the colder body. Light, or a visible light, commonly refers to electromagnetic radiation that can be created by the human eye. Light can also be described in terms of a stream of photons, massless packets of energy, and each traveling with wave-like properties at the speed of light. Electricity, it's the flow of electrical power or charge. It is a secondary energy source, which means that we get it from the conversion of other sources of energy like coal, natural gas, oil, nuclear power, and other natural sources which are called primary source. Okay, so plus we have here an electric fan in front, so we can have observed how energy transformation. I am going to call a name to perform the step. May I call on Miggy to first plug in? So here is the electric fan. Okay, so Mr. Miggy, can you plug in the electric fan? Thank you, very good. Okay, so next step, clouding. You may now turn in the electric fan. We can observe this electric fan in 5 minutes. 5 minutes may I call route to touch the back of the fan. Okay, so this is the back. Okay, very good. So, this activities is an example of energy transformation. Okay, based on the activity a while ago, you will repeat the step, but in this time, you do it by group and observe what happened to the materials of electric fan. Okay, ba class? Okay, very good. So, you can perform this within 5 minutes. So, you can observe what happened or what happened to the materials of electric fan after 5 minutes. If there is an energy transformation. Okay, did you finish class? Very good. All of you are excellent. Very good. So now, you have an activity here. I made an activity. So we read first the instruction. Okay, choose and write the letter of the correct answer. So I can read the question and you will answer it later after I read. Okay, so number 1 question. What is energy transformation? A. When an energy has been created. B. When an energy has been destroyed. C. Change a form to another form of energy. And D. Change a form with the same form of energy. Number 2 question is, from electrical energy, this energy takes place in the television except, except A, chemical, B, heat, C, light, and the letter D is sound. Number 3 question. You have noticed that flashlight lightened after putting the battery and switching it on. Which energy transformations occurs? A. Chemical to light. B. Chemical to heat. C. Chemical to sound. And letter D. Chemical to mechanical. Number 4 question. How is energy changed when you pluck the string of guitars? Letter A. Light to the heat energy. Letter B. Chemical to sound energy. Letter C. Right? Mechanical to sound energy. And the letter D is radiant to mechanical energy. The last question here, number 5. Why is energy needed to be transformed into another form? A. For animals to multiply. B. To produce more equipment. C. So that plants and animals survive. And letter D, it has to be changed into usable form. Okay, so I have an coupon band here or band paper and ball pen. You may now write your answer in 3 minutes. So you may pass it backward. You get 1 and pass. Okay. Did you finish class? Very good. You are so excellent. And your answer is all correct. Very good. So, did you understand our topic for today, class? Very good. So, if you understand our topic for today, I have an assignment here. You will have an assignment to be passed on our next meeting. First question is, look around your house. List down all devices or appliances that describe the transformation or change of energy from one form to another form. You may draw it or paste a pictures in a short band paper. That is the first question. The second question is, as a student, how can you help in minimizing electrical energy consumption in your own house? Okay, so this assignment should be passed on our next meeting, so you can answer this at home. Okay, thank you very much, students, for your cooperation for me and your all your um have you shared. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Thank you.